how to delete recently played on Spotify. So if you want to delete your recently played history on Spotify, then first of all open up your Spotify application, and then you can simply go to the upper right corner which has that settings icon, and then you can simply scroll down, and under social you will have a private session, right? You can simply turn on your private session, and then you can go back and you can remove that application from your background, and then you can open up your settings, and you can go for apps and notifications, and here you can open up your Spotify application, and then you can go for storage and cache, and you have to tap on clear cache. And after clearing your cache, remove your settings from your background, and after that, now your history has been deleted. So that's it. That's how you delete your Spotify history. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.